Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X727XX. Only 25,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, blue velvet metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper. And Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds now to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below. 4 radio. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and the city average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.